Hey guys, it's Michelle from the Boom Brigade Health and Fitness, and welcome to the Boom Tube. Today I just wanted to share one of my favorite products for getting ready quickly. It is the Healthy Sexy Hair. It's a leave-in spray conditioner. If you're like me, I'm always running late, so after I get my workout in, I like to just jump in the shower really quickly, shampoo, wash off, and get out. To me, doing conditioner is just a pain in the butt and it takes a lot of extra time. So this particular product allows me to hop in, hop out, be done quickly. And all you do is you literally just need like a couple sprays. Excuse my crazy hair. But literally I do like 2 sprays. I don't have a lot of hair, as you can see. If you have longer hair, you probably need a couple more. But you can see you don't have any tangles with it. Normally it takes a little bit of brushing for me to get through my hair, even with short hair, but makes it quick and simple. Your hair is soft. It's not a heavy conditioner, so it doesn't leave you feeling like you've got a lot of product going on. And it smells yummy too. So again, it's Healthy Sexy Hair Leave-In Conditioner. If you try it, be sure to comment below and let me know what you think. Have a great day.